Now we are going to learn about the views, different types of the views. For example, here you can select the fit view. Now by default it is selected. Everything fit into a page. If you selected here fit to width, the entire your data will be fitted to your width of the page. If you selected a actual size, all will be taken at 100% size. Okay, like this it will be appear on your report. Okay, we can select a fit to width. Similarly, if you like to activate a grid line background, why it is there? If you like to change it to a grid line, for example, if you go to here, you can able to see grid line. These are the lines to navigate yourself. It will be helpful sometime. And for example, this filter option is not there. If it is not activated, we have to come back to view and select this filter option. If it is not there means it is not selected. If you select it, it will be there. Maximize by using this one. What this filter option does, for example, for your reference, you would like to add some filter. Okay, you would like to add some filter. Here two option is there, filter on same page, or you can add a filter to all the pages. For example, you would like to add a country to filter all the pages. For example, if I select here, okay, then here this page also it will filter, as well as the page number 1 also it will be filtered, because we have been applied this filter for each and everywhere. Okay, this is a filter for all the pages. If I select this filter in this page only, if I selected a product ID here, okay, this particular filter will be applied to this page only. Okay, it will not be applied to a second page. It will not be applied in a second page. It will be applied only in a first page. For your reference, we are using this particular filter options. Once you have been done, you have to close down. Okay, this is a filter option for your reference only. If it is not there, in the sense if it is not turned on, it will not be visible here. To turn it on, we have to use a filter option here from the view. The one more thing, for example, this particular slicer. Okay, if you apply a filter here, for example, we selected a India. Okay, we selected a India. In this particular page, everything is shown about a India. Okay, there is a quantity here, how much sales, which channel it is, how much happened here sales. Okay, everything has been shown here in a India only. In second page, it will not be filtered for a India. It will not be filtered for a India, because there is no synchronization. Okay, it missing a synchronization. Okay, how to synchronize this particular slicer? We have to select, go to view. Okay, in view we have a synchronize slicer. Synchronize slicer option is there. Select that synchronize slicer. Here you can see synchronize slicer. We have to synchronize with a page number 2 as well as a page number 3, and I will say refresh everywhere this particular data, synchronize everywhere in this particular data. You would like to show this particular, would you like to show that particular filter in a page number 2 also, page number 3 also, then we can select this one. Okay, otherwise only synchronization should be there, then you can select here tick mark. Once you have been done a synchronization, now you can see, if I use for a Denmark. Okay, now you can see here Denmark data shown here. Similarly in page number 2, that particular thing also shown, because I have said that show here, as well as filtered for the Denmark. In page number 3 it is not showing, but it is filtered for the Denmark. You can see this data and this data is same, because we have been made a duplicate. Okay, because here it is showing, because in synchronization we have been set that for this one synchronize in a show in a page number 2 also. If I say don't show in a page number 2, what will happen? It will not be shown in a page number 2. Okay, it will not be shown in a page number 2. Okay, like this we can synchronize the applied filter with the other report also, with the other report also. To go back, clear everywhere. Okay, for all page it will be clear because now we have been synchronized with the filter. Okay, this is how we can synchronize and we can view different way our report.